Fiskars 32-inch loppers are designed for serious garden and tree maintenance, delivering strength, precision, and ease of use in one heavy-duty tool. With long handles and a low-friction sharp steel blade, these loppers make cutting through medium to thick branches much easier than standard hand pruners. The extended reach provided by the 32-inch handles allows you to trim higher branches without a ladder, giving you better leverage and reducing strain on your arms and shoulders during longer work sessions. One of the standout features of these loppers is the low-friction blade design. It slices cleanly through branches, minimizing crushing and tearing, which is essential for the health of the tree and faster healing. Even when tackling larger or denser branches, the cutting action feels smooth and controlled, and the blades maintain their sharpness through repeated use. This quality makes them suitable for both professional landscapers and homeowners who want durable, reliable performance. The ergonomic design further enhances usability. The handles are comfortable to grip and provide excellent leverage, reducing fatigue when cutting tougher wood. The lightweight construction is balanced, so even though these are heavy-duty loppers, they remain manageable for extended periods of use. This combination of strength and comfort makes tree trimming less of a chore and more efficient overall. Durability is another strong point. Built with high-quality materials, the Fiskars loppers are designed to withstand repeated use in demanding outdoor conditions. Whether you're pruning trees, shrubs, or large hedges, the tool holds up well without bending or dulling easily. This makes it a long-term investment for anyone serious about garden care. Overall, the Fiskars 32-inch loppers excel in performance, comfort, and reliability. They combine a powerful cutting capacity with thoughtful design features that reduce effort and improve precision. For anyone looking to handle heavy-duty pruning or tree trimming efficiently, these loppers provide a strong, dependable, and high-quality solution that makes the task faster, safer, and more effective.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.